Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your sound settings on your PS5. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to change your sound settings so that the sound output is on the correct device. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to navigate to the settings on the upper right hand corner. Next, you want to go into where it says sound, then scroll down and click on audio output, and then click on output device. This is where you could actually go ahead and select the audio output device that you want to go ahead and use. And you could also do other things such as switch output device automatically, and you could also do the HDMI device type. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your sound settings on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.